Welcome to ICTBroadcast. In this video we will explore IVR Studio and its features. IVR Studio. IVR stands for Interactive Voice Response. IVR is an automated phone system technology that allows incoming callers to access information via a voice response system of pre-recorded messages without having to speak to an agent, as well as to utilize menu options via touch-tone keypad selection or speech recognition to have their call routed to specific departments or specialists. Drag and drop tools to design IVR. ICTBroadcast has a super advanced and super user-friendly IVR studio that allows you to create advanced telephony systems with a simple drag-and-drop interface. IVR Designer's toolbar contains the applications to create an IVR. The user can pick any application from the toolbar area, then drag it to the main drawing area and drop it. Its drag-and-drop interface makes it easy for users to create voice response applications in a web browser. Each IVR application is different. List of important IVR applications. Call answer. Call answer applications to answer an incoming call. Call hang up. The hang up application forces a call to be disconnected. Get input. Get any input requests from your IVR. Condition. After getting value from getting input, we can handle the call accordingly. Call transfer. The transfer application connects the active call to a specific phone number of an agent. This number is referred to as the extension number in ICTBroadcast. Call record. The record application can either create a recording, which starts with a beep and ends with the user pressing a pound, or it can record the remainder of the call. Options menu. Options menus are used to gather keypad input from the user. Each menu node requires at least one play node to present options to the user, and one or more key press nodes to handle the incoming key presses. Do not call list. According to the DNC application, the number will be filtered out. Set caller ID. This application will set the caller ID. For example, while we are transferring the call to an agent, we can set our desired caller ID. Integration API. ICTBroadcast now supports push call status API integration, where the admin can select the third-party application to integrate and automate the business process. Inbound IVR campaign. ICTBroadcast supports inbound campaigns. Users can create an inbound campaign. This type of campaign works like an IVR system. User publishes incoming numbers and interested callers call these numbers and listen to a pre-recorded voice message. If the caller presses the desired key, the call will be forwarded to live agents for further call handling. IVR Studio supports both types of IVRs. IVR for outbound campaign, and IVR for inbound campaigns. Thanks for watching. For more information, check our website ictbroadcast.com.